age, people develop some changes in their vessels. She had a small stroke, which is very old, which probably caused her no symptoms. And this stuff accumulates with age. And these are the eyeballs. So otherwise, her brain, aside from these ventricles that are growing, and she's 89 years old. So you can see her brain is a little atrophied, a little shrunken, which we see with age.
Yes.
But let me show you the area of the stroke. So this is the same picture, but on this picture, a stroke will appear really, really brown.
Okay.
Then we're again looking from top to bottom, and we're taking slices. We're almost at the nose. And you see this very bright spot? This is her stroke.
Okay.
This temporal lobe here is the area of speaking. She's right-handed, correct?
She is right-handed.
This is the area that allows her to understand speech. Up here is
understand speech?
Correct. And up here is the area that allows her to generate speech.
Okay.
So we won't know until she's more awake, really, how effective it is.
So understanding speech is
this entire lobe, which is not all white.
Okay.
Right? And so until she wakes up and she cooperates with us, we don't know exactly
how her speech will be.
Correct. However, what we can know for sure is that this is the area that controls the motor function on the right side of her body.
So, which is her arm.
Correct. And so, the arm more so than the leg.
I see, because her leg is moving.
Correct.
So it would be more white if it affected her leg.
Correct.
So some speech understanding and maybe some speech and speaking is affected in her arm.
This is all preserved.
That's pretty good. Is what you're saying.
Because
so what's this little spot that's like right here?
This is
that's the old one.
This is part of it. No,
that's just part of it.
Sure. This is all new. This scan does not stay this bright after the first week.
It doesn't?
No.
It changes?
Yeah.
So is it an improvement or some sort of change? I wouldn't say improvement. Let's say change.
Not on this spot. So it becomes a scar. And a scar will show up on the other images. It does not go away.
Okay.
When a stroke happens, it means, when we call it stroke, it means those cells die, right? The neighboring region will attempt to take over their function, but it becomes a scar. So 20 years later, when we get a scan, we can tell you
that you had
an old stroke at some point in your life. We can still see it, right?
Right.
But it being this bright, it makes it fresh. So we know that we're dealing with something new. And I mean, I can go into the neurology of it, but when it's bright here and dark here is less than 7 days old. And that's how we know how new a stroke is. So the fact that the exact area of brightness matches the area of darkness on this other sequence. This is why people spend 40 minutes in MRI. Is because we get different sequences.
And it cuts
This
the brain
the
up in
one
slices.
That we look at the same time. Let me link all of them and then tell you exactly what I mean. This is the one that's going to show a scar 10 years down the line. This is the one that's showing these tiny vessel changes that are expected with age, because this scan picks up anything that has happened in your entire life. If you had a stroke before you were born, I would be able to see it here. However, a stroke that is really, really fresh, meaning in the past few days, will only pop up on these two. Specifically, this one allows us to say it's less than 7 days old, because beyond 7 days, this will go away. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So the reason I'm telling you that this stroke happened this week is because it is bright here, dark here, and not yet very visible here. And this is how we can tell you that this is what brought her into the hospital.